Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Philac and Camping Camp. Here to Bukit Bintang. So sweet and very calm. Very nice. The village very nice for camping and spend time together with family. It's very nice. It has a very